Good day, everybody. This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to stiffener your heart and your fascinator. You need your stiffener, your brush, and the water you are going to use to mix it. This is a stiffener. Then add just small water. It must not be too watery, but must be thick small, but not too thick. Then you take your fascinator cup, you use it on it like this with your brush. Make sure you allow the stiffener to enter inside your fascinator very well. Then this is how to stiffener the fascinator. You can see you have to stiffener it from the head to the down of the mold. The same thing with the fascinator cup that we have molded. See it. This is how to stiffener your heart and your fascinator. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.